Okay, so limitation is like OS specific feature limitations, right? OS specific, when I say WSUS is a OS specific tool, right? So only Windows operating system can be updated by this tool. I can see some feature updates limitation also, like WSUS is not having many features, right? Like inventory it can't do, it cannot do MDM thing, right? It cannot manage your software deployment, right? I mean, there are multiple dependencies or limitations, I can say. And it is agentless, right? But for big IBM BigFix Manage Engine, you need an agent, right, which will be communicating to your actual master tool, right? Or you can say it is a master client communication. So every machine which is in the backside of this setup will be a client machine where you can install your agent, right? And those machines will be patched by the tool, and those machines will be reporting to that Manage Engine console or any tool console. Okay, so moving on to next slide, which says Manage Engine. What is Manage Engine, right? So Manage Engine is a Manage Engine Central is a tool formerly known as Desktop Center earlier in the past, right? Which is coming from Zoho Corporation, and this tool is actually made to cater your IT operations services, right? It will be managing your security endpoint management, for the businesses, right? And this experience of this tool is kind of seamless. I am already using it for some clients, right? So you can see there are multiple features. Along with the patching, it gives you many functions, like you can have tools where you can remotely control any desktop or machines where the agent is installed. You can manage the registry part, you can manage the file part, you can manage inventory, you can deploy softwares, right? And you can manage asset management, you can do, right? Inventory section is there, you can manage MDM, right? And there are policy related also, you can push the policies to end machines. And it is not limited functions, I would say. These functions are altogether is kind of a mixture which will give you a form of like a seamless experience, right? So you can also in Manage Engine, right? You can do patching, you can reboot your machine, right? From the console you can see how many updates are available, count also you can see, failure you can see, right? You can schedule you can do schedule restart, right? So later, I mean, this is just a starting, right? What we are doing here, what we are having this session. We have more interactive session, like, so we'll be covering in next section. What we'll be covering is how to register for Manage Engine Central, and what is the actual product name, right? So you are already aware that actual product name I have already shown in the previous slide, which is formerly known as Desktop Center earlier, and the type of Manage Engine installation and available options. So we'll be discussing in next slide or next session, we'll be discussing about Manage Engine installation, where you will see a type of Manage Engine installation. Maybe I can show you on the screen how to register for Manage Engine Central, how we can download that software, or how we can deploy the software, right? And what are the available options. So these days you can see PaaS options are available, right? And IaaS also available. So you can download and manage your service for Manage Engine, or you can use their PaaS services, right, which is already available. So both options are available. So just for your next point, I can take you through this Manage Engine Central website. So you just need to do one thing: go to Google, type Manage Engine Central, and it will redirect you to this page. Okay, this Manage Engine Central page, right? So in first go, you just need to click on sign up, right? So you will be able to see these two, right? Cloud and on premises, right? So we'll be discussing these all stuff into our next session, right? Thank you for visiting to this channel. Thank you very much.